How can I file my 2019 taxes using TurboTax?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to walk through how to file your 2019 taxes using TurboTax. Whether you've done it before or you're a newcomer, don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in.
Why choose TurboTax?
TurboTax is one of the leading tax preparation software packages in the United States. It's user-friendly, intuitive, and offers free support for any tax-related questions you might have. With TurboTax, you can easily file your taxes online from the comfort of your home. Remember, it's never too late to file your taxes, even for previous years.
Preparing to file.
Before you start, make sure you have all necessary information on hand. This includes 1. Your Social Security number. 2. W-2s from all your employers. 3. 1099 forms for any additional income. 4. Records of any tax-deductible expenses.
Setting up your TurboTax account.
To get started, you'll need to set up a TurboTax account. Visit the TurboTax website, click Sign Up, and enter your personal information. This will allow you to save your progress and come back at any time.
Choosing the right TurboTax product.
TurboTax offers different products to cater to different tax situations. You can choose from Free Edition, Deluxe, Premier, and Self-Employed. Make sure to pick the version that best suits your needs.
Entering your personal information.
Now, it's time to enter your personal information. This will include your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. You'll also enter your filing status, single, married, filing jointly, etc., and report who you're claiming as dependents.
Inputting your financial information.
In this section, you'll input your financial information. You'll be asked to enter information from your W-2s, 1099s, and any tax-deductible expenses you have. TurboTax makes this easy by allowing you to import these forms directly from many employers and financial institutions.
Review and file.
After you've entered all your information, TurboTax will review your tax return for any potential errors or tax-saving opportunities. Once everything looks good, you're ready to file. You can e-file directly through TurboTax or print and mail your return. If you're due a refund, choose how you'd like to receive it. That's it. You've successfully filed your 2019 taxes with TurboTax. Remember, TurboTax is there to guide you every step of the way. And if you ever get stuck, don't hesitate to reach out to their support team. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful.